Hi guys, welcome to Manoeuvre. In this video, we'll talk about IPM and BBA Entrance 2020 form filling dates and exam details. So some of the exams form filling date got extended because of the coronavirus and some of the exam got postponed also. So I was getting many calls with regards to the same from the student. That's why I'm making this video guys. But before that, be safe and stay at home only because अगर जान है तो जहान है. So keep yourself in safer zone so that you can prepare well for all these exams and definitely you will achieve your goal. Now let's get started with all the details. So first of all, IPM Indore got extended. They have extended a date for the form. An exam date they have not declared yet, but it got postponed. It was on 30th of April. Rohtak also extended the form filling date. Npat for Narsi Monji 9th and 10th of May. SET General for Symbiosis date is 2nd of May. This also probably get postponed. Christ University CUET, it have two slots. One is on 14th of April, definitely cancel hona hi hona hai, and 26th of April is the second session. Both will get postponed guys, don't worry about the Christ one. DU, Tissbat and IPU, all these BBA entrance exam get postponed, don't worry about it. This I am telling you because IPM was on 30th of April, they have postponed that also. So all the major exams which are in the month of April or couple of weeks in the month of May, they will get postponed due to coronavirus epidemic. So maximum exams form filling is getting extended, and the major calls which I was getting from the student side, sir, will the date will postponed or not for the exam? So yes, it will get postponed, but yeah, there is no any official notification out, but yeah, surely it will get postponed guys, don't worry. You will get some extra days for your preparation. Now let me talk about how you take the advantage of this and how you should start your preparation, how you can make your routine for the preparation. That is very important. This is the another question which I was getting from the student, sir, how to make our daily routine for the preparation. I'll discuss that also in this video. So first let me tell you the advantage and some of the disadvantage also. See, since the form filling date got extended, because of that more people will register for this exam, all these exams, which means competition will go high. Like maximum people will come into the competition, but the people who are smart enough, they can take the advantage of this time, they can utilize this time. You can make your routine and you can devote your 100% for the preparation so that you end up with your goal. So this is what the study plan which I have made after communicating with maximum people and understanding their strategy. So maximum people are following this strategy, and this is what the helpful for maximum people. If it work for you, well and good. If it is not working for you, so build your own strategy, the one which is working for you. All right. So what I want you people to, for the English and the verbal section, all these exams have these three things common: English, Quant, and Logic. These are the common area for all the BBA entrance exam. In fact, in IPM also. So what I want you people to do your English preparation in morning, early morning, because it is fresh. You have to read all the data. So in morning time, utilize 1 to 2 hours of reading. Now what you have to read? You have to read The Hindu newspaper. It's page 1 and editorial page. This is what you have to read. As I keep on saying in my all the videos in my classroom session also, you have to read The Hindu newspaper. This is what 1-2 hour daily reading is required if you want to crack IPM and other BBA entrance exams. So 1 to 2 hours of reading. You can download the app of The Hindu. You can read from there also. After then, utilize 1 more hour to learn the tricks with regards to the reading comprehension, paragraph jumble, close test, all the grammar rules which are related to your syllabus, because reading will improve your reading skill, your comprehension skill, your understanding part, but at the same time you have to implement all this skill on your syllabus also. Moving ahead, after once you're done with your English section, go for the Quant, which require lots of practice. Afternoon time I recommend 3 to 4 hours time you have to devote for this section. Understanding the concept is very important when it's come to the Quant section, because when I was communicating, I found that maximum people are weak in maths. They have a phobia from the maths, but believe me guys, if your fundamental is thorough, you can crack this section very quickly by adopting the good number of accuracy. After then, you have to practice a lot. You have to practice varieties of questions from each topic for the Quant section. Third is the Logic, which is the cakewalk section for many of the aspirant and which is highly scoring also. Alright, so evening 2 hours is suffice for this section. You have to implement all the shortcuts which you will be learning. So this is what the routine you have to follow. Now number of hours can be very individual to individual. If some of you are good in maths, so you can spend more time on the area where you are weak in. Some of you are good in English, so utilize more time on the Quant or the Logic. Likewise, you have to work upon guys. Last area, which is nothing but the GK. So all those who are planning to write SET General for Symbiosis, CUET, Christ University, Tissbat for the Tata Institute of Social Science. GK is important. At the same time, those who are planning for IPM, an interview, GK will help you somehow. So for GK, you have to devote 1 to 2 hours on daily basis. You have to download all the PDFs. If you are Manoeuvre student, so on your dashboard, all the PDFs are given and all the video lectures are given for English, Quant and Logic, all these areas. So this is how you have to prepare all these section, guys. You have to make your daily routine and you have to strictly adhere this routine. If you do this, I can bet you no one can stop you to crack the exam with good score, guys, believe me. So I hope this planning will help you to understand the preparation strategy and you can build up your strategy accordingly. For any doubt and query, please write in the comment box. I'll be happy to reply you guys. As I was getting many calls regarding the live session, so yeah, we have launched the live session for all the IPM and the BBA aspirant. So this live session you can attempt with the help of mobile phone, laptop or the computer. Just need an internet connection, that's it. To get brief information about this live crash course, you can contact on this number or else you can visit to the website. Also, those who want to join for this live crash course, link I have already given in the description, so please check the description, guys. So what we will be covering in this live session, basically there will be lectures, live lectures. Then there will be handouts given to you. You will be completing major questions from these handouts. Then there will be doubt session, which is very crucial, very important, motivation session, and then there will be mock test, guys. So as of now there are 10 mock tests launched. Soon we will be adding some more mock tests if possible for all these BBA entrance examinations. So to join this online crash course, what you have to do, basically you have to visit, guys, manoeuvre.com. if you can see here, manoeuvre.com. from here you have to go to buy online. Alright, so buy online. From here you have to go to the BBA entrance. After then go to the full course program. Alright, if you scroll down you can see here live session online crash course. Once you join this program, you will get a call back from our counselor. Further detail will be provided to you. Alright, still you can write in the comment box on what topic you want me to make the video. I'll be definitely making the video, and if you have any query and doubt, write in the comment box, guys. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.